Hi, I'm Courtney Whitley, and I'm the nurse practitioner here at Carolina Facial Plastics. Some of the services that you might not know we offer are a variety of hair restoration procedures. Some of the hair restoration procedures that we offer are PRP for the scalp, which is injections of PRP into the scalp to help with hair growth. And you would typically need to do 3 of these treatments and then 1 treatment annually. We also offer dermal infusion of exosomes into the scalp. We also offer light therapy caps, and now we have a NeoGraft system, which is a follicular unit extraction hair transplant system. We also have a variety of oral and topical medications and supplements that we can prescribe and send home with you. I hope this helps explain some of the other services that you may not have known that we offer at Carolina Facial Plastics. Give us a call if you have any more questions to schedule a consultation.